Delhi-based Brahmin families for matrimonial alliance who's equally qualified and professionally settled, then you're watching the right video. This is Pragati Upadhyay. Today I'm here with another video on one of the best Brahmin marriage bureau cum Brahmin wedding planners in Delhi. A wedding planner for Brahmin elite and middle class families in Delhi. A marriage passionate about technology and want to make it easy to use for every family, challenging the one package fits all approach with prices starting at 1,251 rupees only. A marriage bureau which is not only limited to Brahmin bridegroom matchmaking services but also manages wedding vendors such as photographer, choreographer, caterer, wedding venue, music bands, as well as taking contracts for everything, from matrimonial matchmaking services to organizing weddings in Delhi. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update. One of the massive urban agglomerations of India, Delhi has remained the capital of India since the British era. Seated on the banks of River Yamuna, this incredible city boasts of centuries-old monuments, imposing modern-day structures, colorful bazaars, and rule-worthy cuisine. Since the city serves as the political seat of the country, it is also home to the Parliament site, soaking in its history and culture and shopping at busy marketplaces. Things to see and do in Delhi and New Delhi are plentiful and include experiencing its diverse arts and crafts industry, its many magnificent monuments, countless performing art venues, and its excellent cuisine, including delicacies from every corner of Delhi. Delhi is also a shopper's paradise with numerous bazaars and markets, including Chandni Chowk, the country's most famous commercial era. Our forefathers believed that marriages are decided in heaven, but it is we who have to start the process. In Delhi, some people meet their life partners easily and some others have to struggle to find one. It is still more difficult to get a suitable bride or groom in Delhi. In good old days, marriages were arranged by friends, close family members, relatives, priests, or even barbers. But in this cyber age, the search for Brahmin life partner in Delhi has been taken up by Brahmin marriage bureaus or Brahmin marriage consultancy in Delhi. Today I will introduce you a Brahmin matrimonial service provider in Delhi which is efficient for those who are encountering with the problem of searching and finding the Brahmin families in Delhi for matrimonial alliance. Although there are many marriage bureaus arranging marriages in Delhi, but the marriage bureau in Delhi who have changed the concept of Brahmin partner search and they have resolved all the drawbacks of traditional marriage broker service in Delhi. Imagine a marriage bureau which delivers a great shortlist matching your brief in under 7 days and not in weeks like others. Very briefly, I am going to tell you what the Brahmin family is looking for in their search for a bridegroom in Delhi. Yes, they are keen to match with people of similar status. They also look for a personal and lifestyle match. And last, there has to be a perfect match in terms of both the family and the business. Now coming to the details of Dharma Vedic Brahmin matchmaking services in Delhi. Dharma Vedic offers a personalized and exclusive way to choose a life partner in absolute comfort with utmost privacy and confidentiality. We have never compromised on the quality and the services provided to the customer. We provide special and personalized online cum offline services just like your neighborhood marriage bureau in Delhi to help you find the right match. Frankly speaking, Dharma Vedic creates partnership with clients, parents, families based on trust, understanding and delivery. We are not here to make empty promises. We are here to make connection between great people and families in Delhi. We are dedicated to providing superior customer service every step of the way related to marriage in Delhi. That's why 9 out of 10 clients tell us they'd recommend us to their colleagues in Delhi. Dharma Vedic top features are: number 1. We do not just sign up clients for a fee, our team personally assesses their lifestyle and see whether they qualify to be one of our clients or not. We have a very transparent approach towards this. Number 2. We have the large Brahmin database of profiles in Delhi and our service is 100% discreet and confidential. We also have handpicked matches that suit you by trained relationship managers who will facilitate meetings with prospective partners in Delhi. Number 3. Our Brahmin matchmaking service in Delhi fee ranges starting from 1,251 rupees to over 2 lakh rupees only. One more thing, Dharma Vedic also arranges wedding vendors, wedding venue and other related things at a good discount. At the same time, apart from arranging wedding vendors, Dharma Vedic also takes contracts for organizing weddings in Delhi. So parents, it's hard time now to find the best bridegroom for your loved one. Please make an effort to call or message us at 8828952895 so that we can help you throughout the Brahmin matchmaking process in Delhi. You can also download Dharma Vedic app and register yourself. Registering with Dharma Vedic is absolutely free of cost. Join and connect with us through our videos, or you can also visit our matrimonial matchmaking portal www.dharmavedic.com. If you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Stay tuned, stay fit. Namaste. Thank you.